Hello, my dear students. This is Pushpa Vardrajan from Army Public School, Bangalore. Welcome back to the second session of rational numbers for class 8th. You know already a rational number is one which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Now, 2 by 3 is a rational number because it has got numerator and denominator. And 7 by 10 is a rational number because it has got numerator and denominator. It is there in the form of P by Q. Minus 6 is a rational number because minus 6 can be written as minus 6 by 1. 5 is a rational number because 5 can be written in the form of 5 by 1. 0 is a rational number because 0 can be written as 0 by 1. And these rational numbers can be represented on the number line. In the second exercise from the textbook, there is one sum. That is marked 2 by 6 on the number line. Now draw a number line and then write 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and 6 by 6 is plus 1. And it continues 7 by 6, 8 by 6, like this it continues. And here we have marked 2 by 6. Here, since it is a rational number, you have to mark both the sides, and this side it is 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 6 by 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and minus 6 by 6 is minus 1. That is, plus 2 by 6 is that side and minus 2 by 6 is in the left side. And you can find few rational numbers which comes in between two rational numbers. Now, in the exercise, there is one sum where you have to find 5 rational numbers in between minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and minus 2 by 5 and half. Now, both the denominators are different. You can compare two rational numbers only when the denominator is same. You can make the denominator same by multiplying both numerator and the denominator by the same number. Therefore, here you got minus 4 by 10. And here it is, if you multiply both numerator and denominator by 5, you will get 5 and then 10. And then if you write the rational number which comes in between minus 4 and 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write only 8 rational numbers. But if you want to write 10, multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number again. And I'm going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. It is 2 by 2. If you want more, you can multiply by 3 by 3, 4 by 4, like that. You will get minus 8 by 10 here. And here if you multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, you will get 10 by 10. You will get 10 by 10. Therefore, the rational numbers which comes in between -2/5 and half or here -7 by here 4 2s are 8 and here 10 2s are 20 here, and here also 5 2s are 10 and 10 2s are 20. Now the rational numbers which comes in between -2/5 and half hour and -2/5 and half hour -8. That less than this is greater than this is -7/20, -6/20, -5/20, and then -4/20, -3/20, and -2/20, and -1/20, and 0/20, and 1/20, and 2/20, 3/20, and then 4/20, 5/20, and 6/20, 7/20, 8/20, and 9/20. Here you have found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 rational numbers you have found. But in this question, they have asked only 10 rational numbers. See, to find the rational number which comes in between, first you have to see that the denominator is same. Here 2/5 and 1/2. Therefore, multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. It is 2 2s are 4 and 5 2s are 10. Here 5 1s are 5 and here you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. 5 1s are and 5 2s are. But if you write, if you take -4/10 and 5/10, you will not get 10 rational numbers. Therefore, again you multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. It is -8/20 and here it is 10/20. Now one more sum. See, find 5 rational numbers between 3/5, 3/5, 3/5, and 3/5 and 3/4. Here, both numerator and denominator multiply by same number, so that you will get 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. Here multiply both numerator and denominator by 5, and then here it is 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. Here you cannot find, you will find that after 12 it is 13 14, only 13/20 and 14/20, only you can find only 2 rational numbers. Therefore, multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. Here it is 60/100 and here it is multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. Here it is 75/100. Therefore, the rational numbers which comes in between 3/5 and 3/4 are, it is from 61 you have to start, 61/100, 62/100, 63/100, 100, 64 by 100, 65 by 100, and 66 by 100, and 67 by 100, 68 by 100, and then 69 by 100, and you can put some dot and write 74 by 100. First you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number, and then see that the denominator is same. And if you want more rational numbers, you have to multiply again both numerator and denominator of the same, of the rational, both the rational number by the same number. Now one more sum of the same type. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and it is 4 by 5. Now 2 by 3, multiply both numerator and denominator by the denominator of the second one. You will get 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Here multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, and here 12 by 15. And then here you will get only 10 after 10. It is only one rational number. But if you want 5, multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. That is 10 5s are 50, and here 15 5s are 75. Here also multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. You will get 12 5s are 60 and 15 5s are 75. Therefore, the rational numbers which comes in between 50 by 75 and 60 by 75 are 51 by 75, 52 by 75, and then here 53 by 75. Like this it continues. That is 52 by 75, 53 by 75, and 54 by 75, and 55 by 75, and 56 by 75, 57 by 75, and 58 by 75, and 59 by 75. And then the same question you can do in the other way also. That method you can do it only when you need very few rational numbers, 2 or 3 rational numbers. That same question, that is 2 by 3 and then 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now you have to find 2 rational numbers which comes in between. For that we will write a rational number x comes in between these two. Now add both the rational number and divide it by 2. Therefore x is equal to half into 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. That is half into LCM is 5 3s are 15 and 3 5s are and 5 2s are 10, and then here 5 3s are and 3 4s are 12. That is equal to half into 22 by 15. Is if you divide 22 by 2, you will get 11. Therefore 11 by 15. You have found one rational number which comes in between, that is 2 by 3, and in the place of x you have to write 11 by 15 less than 45. To find one more rational number, we will write 2 by 3 less than x less than 11 by 15 less than 4 by 5. Now x is equal to half into, that is 2 by 3 plus 11 by 15, that is equal to half into LCM is 3 and 15 is 15, and here 3 5s are and 5 2s are 10 here, and 15 1s are 11. That is 20 half into 21 by 15 is equal to 21 by 30. Now you have found one more rational number in between these two, that is 21 by 30 and less than 11 by 15 and less than 4 by 5. Here you have found two rational numbers. This method is a very lengthy method. Only when you have to find only 2-3 rational numbers, you can find this. To find one more rational number, again 11 by 15 and 4 by 5, write one x, add both the numbers and divide it by 2, then you will get the one more rational number. But to find 10 rational number, 5 rational numbers and all, if you use the previous method, it will be easier. And in this video, you have learned how to find the required number of rational numbers which comes in between two rational numbers. There are two methods. One method is multiply both numerator. First you make the denominator is same for both the rational number by multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number. After that, again you multiply both the rational numbers with the same number. That is, if you want 5 rational numbers, you multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. If you want 15 rational numbers, you multiply both the numerator and denominator by 16. And if you want more, then you can multiply both numerator and denominator by 20. The other method is just add the given rational numbers and divide it by 2. Then you will get the required rational number. And again, one more time, you find a rational number x in between those two. But it is a very lengthy method. If you want only 2 or 3 rational numbers, you can use this method. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.